Well, hello everybody. Say hello to Pearl. Pearl is an 11-month-old Labrador Retriever, and you may be wondering what she has to do with a video about replacing your garage door sensors. Well, that's a fair question. Last week when I was cutting grass, I put Pearl in the garage like I've been doing all summer because it's so hot. She usually just lies in here and relaxes, but I guess this time she must have gotten bored. There's supposed to be a sensor that looks like this mounted onto this bracket, but instead I found this. So I ordered these Genie replacement sensors. I'll put a link in the description. Looks like you got some instructions, and the components appear to be sealed in this plastic bag. Mounting screws, and each of the sensors is already attached to a bracket. This should be a pretty straightforward process. We don't want to work on an energized circuit, so I'll unplug the garage door opener. And for the record, here's what my opener looks like. To make the installation easier, you can remove the sensor from the bracket just by pulling it. In my case, it looks like I'm going to be able to use the existing holes from the previous bracket. I think I'll even use the original mounting screws. Okay, so that's got the wires attached to the sensor. I'll just slip it back on the bracket and go do the other side. The instructions say it doesn't matter which wire goes to which terminal. Of course, the procedure is exactly the same over here, so I won't show it to you again. Now I just need to plug the opener back up. Okay, we've got a green light on this side and a red light on this side. So let's see if it works. Because I was making this video, I spent about an hour doing this. Otherwise, it's a 10-15 minute job. Very simple, very straightforward, so don't let it scare you. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit the like button so YouTube will recommend it to more people. And if you appreciate this type of content, please consider subscribing. In any case, I thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon. Right, Pearl? I know, you didn't mean to do it, did you?